Welcome to Design and Develop Vocational Training Plans. Are you an education professional, training manager, or vet trainer striving to create impactful, industry-relevant learning experiences? Understanding the unit of competency design and developing plans for vocational training is your strategic advantage for designing vocational training that truly delivers. This unit is your guide to developing programs that resonate with learners and meet industry demands. Design and develop plans for vocational training is the cornerstone for anyone involved in curriculum design and program planning within vocational education and training. This unit equips you with the essential skills and knowledge to carefully plan, develop, and document training programs. It's about transforming educational objectives into real learner-centric outcomes. This unit is essential for skill enhancement, ensuring your vet instruction meets the highest standards. It provides a professional framework for creating effective learning pathways, whether face-to-face, online, or blended. Mastering the unit of competency and designing and developing plans for vocational training elevate your capacity for robust program planning. Effective vocational training begins with meticulous planning. This involves collaborating with key stakeholders to identify clear objectives and intended outcomes. Understanding your target learners' characteristics, including their foundation skills, is paramount for tailoring content effectively. Accessing specialist support when needed ensures comprehensive program development. This initial planning phase lays the groundwork for a successful and relevant training program. It's a critical step in professional curriculum design. The design phase requires accessing and interpreting nationally recognized training products to identify precise training and assessment requirements. You'll learn to analyze units of competency, breaking them down into scaffolded learning components. This ensures a logical progression of skills and knowledge. Determining appropriate learning activities that engage and support learners in each component is vital. Evaluating existing resources and estimating training duration tailored to learner groups ensures efficiency and relevance. Documenting the overall plan according to legislative and regulatory requirements is a professional imperative for program planning. Beyond the overall program, this unit focuses on developing detailed session plans. These plans must incorporate a range of facilitation techniques to engage learners actively. Each session should build upon previous learning, ensuring comprehensive skill and knowledge acquisition. Reviewing session plans is essential to confirm all required elements are addressed and aligned with the unit of competency. Documenting these plans according to organizational policies ensures consistency and quality in vet instruction. This is a key aspect of effective trainer development. Success in designing and developing vocational training relies on a strong foundation of core skills. Digital literacy is crucial for research and documenting plans using various tools. Strong reading comprehension allows for accurate interpretation of training products and procedures. Clear, concise writing is essential for documenting plans with precision and professionalism. Initiative and enterprise drive the creation of safe, inclusive, and supportive learning experiences. Effective planning, organizing, and self-management ensure high-quality, compliant program delivery. Achieving competence in designing and developing vocational training plans means demonstrating the ability to develop comprehensive, well-documented plans for group learning. This includes covering multiple units of competency with detailed consecutive sessions. Plans must be tailored to specific learner needs, incorporating diverse facilitation and assessment techniques. Knowledge evidence requires a deep understanding of vocational education and training regulatory requirements, instructional design principles, and adult learning theories. It also encompasses knowing how to interpret nationally recognized products and apply sustainability considerations. This unit sets a high professional standard for all involved in vet instruction and program planning. Mastering the unit of competency in design and development of vocational training plans is more than just a qualification. It's an investment in your professional growth and the quality of vocational education. By applying these principles, you will enhance your curriculum design capabilities, strengthen your trainer development, and ensure your program planning leads to exceptional learning outcomes. Ready to transform your approach to vocational training? Explore how designing and developing plans for vocational training can empower you to design and deliver truly impactful programs. Follow us today to learn more about integrating these critical skills into your professional development journey and elevate your vocational education and training instruction to the next level.